Jay Park is an American rapper, singer, songwriter, record producer, dancer, and entrepreneur of Korean descent. Park showed great interest in hip hop music and breakdancing at a young age. Park attended Edmonds Woodway, where he spent most of his break and lunch times practicing dance with friends. In 2003, Park became one of the first members of the Seattle-based b-boy crew Art of Movement. Park would have continuous clashes with his mother regarding his lack of interest in academics and potential higher education. In 2004, Park's mother, seeing how her son spent more time breakdancing than studying, suggested he try out for a locally advertised talent audition, which was organized by South Korean conglomerate JYP Entertainment. In January 2005, Park was brought to South Korea to receive training in dancing, rapping, singing, and the Korean language under the strict supervision of JYPE. Park eventually completed his university education at Dankook University. Park featured as the first ever non-Chinese guest judge in the fourth season of The Rap of China, first airing on August 14, 2020. His appearance on the TV rap competition show was met with a mixed reception, drawing backlash from some Chinese audiences who resented the appearance of a non-Chinese on the show, and from Korean audiences who resented the fact that Park chose to appear on the Chinese show and not the similar South Korean TV series Show Me the Money. In November 2019, Jay Park released a collaborative EP with American producer Hit Boy called This Was Not Supposed to Happen, named after the surprise nature of the duo's collaboration. This Was Not Supposed to Happen marked Park's second release under Roc Nation and was preceded by their single K-Town. Rebranding and re-debuting as both a solo singer and a rapper, Park's musical identity would lend to him partaking in the underground hip-hop culture in South Korea, a rarity for both active and former K-pop singles. On June 7, 2019, Park released his fifth solo studio album, The Road Less Traveled. The album contained features from Jay Electronica and Higher Brothers. In May 2018, Park released his first official single under Roc Nation, SOJU, featuring 2 Chainz. On July 20, 2018, Park released his debut American project, an English-language EP named Ask About Me. Along with SOJU, this 7-track EP featured several notable American rappers such as Rich the Kid and Vic Mensa, as well as in-house production from AOMG and H1 Ghar music artists such as Chacha Maloney and Grovy Room. In 2017, Jay Park founded record label H1 Ghar Music with producer Chacha Maloney with an aim to bring both Seattle and South Korean talent to the hip hop forefront. On July 20, 2017, it was announced that JJ's Roc Nation had signed Park for his activities in the US, marking the first ever Asian American artist on the record label. On October 20, 2016, Park released his fourth solo album, Everything You Wanted. The brilliant project contained 19 tracks and featured R&B songs in both English and Korean. Upon release, the album debuted at number 3 on Billboard's World Albums chart. On September 1, 2014, Jay Park released his second full-length album, Evolution. On November 5, 2015, Jay Park released his third official studio album, Worldwide. An influential figure in the Korean hip-hop scene, Park has been described as the scene stalwart of Korean R&B and has been credited as one of the main figures responsible for the increased commercial acceptance and mainstream popularization of K-hip-hop in South Korea. Park initially rose to fame as the leader of South Korean boy band 2PM, formed by record label JYP Entertainment in 2018 after having previously been a trainee for 4 years. On February 28, 2013, Park received the Musician of the Year award at the 2013 Korean Music Awards, and his album New Breed was nominated in the Best R&B and Solo Album category.